We'll guide you through how to make to-do list using Asana. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open Google Chrome on your computer and go to the Asana website. Once the website loads, click Get Started to begin accessing your Asana account. After clicking Get Started, enter your email address in the provided field. When your email address has been entered, click Continue to proceed to the next step. After continuing, check your email inbox and find the verification code sent by Asana. Enter the verification code into the required field on the Asana page. Once the verification code has been entered, click Verify to complete the verification process and access your account. After successfully signing in, open My Tasks from the sidebar to access your personal task list. When the My Tasks page appears, click Add Task to create a new task in your list. After clicking Add Task, enter the task name in the provided field. Write a clear name that describes the task you want to add. Once the task name has been entered, add task details if needed to provide additional information about the task. Include any important instructions, requirements, or information related to the task. After adding the details, set a due date for the task by selecting the appropriate date from the Date option. Choose the deadline that matches when the task needs to be completed. Next, add a description or notes to provide more context about the task. Enter any additional information that will help explain the task clearly. After completing the task information, organize your tasks into sections to make your to-do list easier to manage. Create or select the appropriate sections and place tasks based on their categories or priorities. Check the task names, details, due dates, and sections to confirm that the list is organized according to your needs.